a detailed review of Hostinger web host, analyzing their features, pros and cons along with speed test results. Find out if it is any good for you. After founding in 2004, this Lithuania-based hosting company has gained a lot of momentum after rebranding to Hostinger in 2011. Look at this Google Trends graph. Although there is a little slump in recent years, their growth rate was terrific. Competitive pricing and extreme discounts have been their main selling points since the first day. If you have ever searched for free web hosting, you might have heard about 000 Web Host. That's a sub-brand of Hostinger. So, if you are looking for a cheap web host, is Hostinger worth considering? Does the quality suffer in any way due to lower pricing? After watching this Hostinger review, you will be able to decide if it is right for you or not. For making this video, I purchased their cheapest shared plan and tested it for almost 1 month. This review is based on my personal experiences only. Hostinger features custom control panel. Unlike most of the other web hosts, Hostinger does not give you the traditional cPanel. Instead, they have rolled out a custom solution, which they call Panel. In my opinion, Panel is a lot simpler to use for beginners. Otherwise, if you are already familiar with cPanel, it can confuse you here and there. For example, if you have multiple domains under one hosting account, Panel gives you separate sections for each of them. In contrast, cPanel allows you to manage all of them from the same place. This difference had caused me some confusion in the beginning. If you want cPanel, you can try Hosting 24, which is also a part of Hostinger. I came to know about it during a live chat session with Hostinger support, where I mentioned that I prefer cPanel over any other control panels. In short, Panel is intuitive for any beginner, but expert users may prefer cPanel. Lightspeed Server. What's the main thing that keeps Hostinger apart from other traditional shared hosting providers? In my opinion, it's their Lightspeed servers. While the majority of hosts provide Apache or Nginx servers, Hostinger uses Lightspeed, which is one of the reasons behind its performance. Unlike Nginx, Lightspeed servers support the familiar success files out of the box, so it's a bonus. Also, Hostinger enables Lightspeed cache plugin on all WordPress installations by default, so there's no need to use any other caching plugin. According to a test, Lightspeed is almost 84x faster than a combination of Apache and W3 total cache. Not only Apache, but it could also outperform Nginx as well. So, Lightspeed should be able to handle a lot more traffic than a similar-sized Apache server. Then why not all hosts support Lightspeed? Lightspeed or LSWS Enterprise is not entirely free, like Apache. That might be the reason why most web hosts stick to either Apache or Nginx. Lightspeed does have an open source version as well, Open Lightspeed. However, it has a few limitations. For instance, Open Lightspeed does not support Success. A12 Hosting is another company where you can find Lightspeed hosting. However, the option is available only on their high-end plans. Around 43% of websites use Apache servers, while Lightspeed's share is 5.2% text. Data centers. Currently, Hostinger offers 7 server locations: the Netherlands, Lithuania, United Kingdom, the US, India, Singapore, Brazil. Previously, there were only 4 locations. India, UK, and Brazil are the new ones. Choosing a location closer to your visitors can help improve your server response times. For this review, I selected the US as the data center. One-click installs. Even though Hostinger uses a custom control panel, you won't find any difficulty installing your favorite apps or content management systems. Installing WordPress is just a matter of seconds. Website Builder. If you want a drag and drop editor to build your website, you can use Hostinger's Website Builder. It's not as polished as Squarespace or Wix, but it is sufficient to spin up a website quickly. Speed and performance. I have tested Hostinger's single shared plan multiple times for 1 month, and you can see the results on the screen. As I've shown in the starting, the Lightspeed cache plugin was enabled by default. Apart from that, I didn't make any performance tweaks. WordPress installation with 10 images and some sample content. Lightspeed cache plugin, tested using Matrix. Data center, North America. When compared to other shared hosting providers, Hostinger performed superbly in terms of average on-load times. For example, Aidu Hosting's average time was 2,248 ms, while for DreamHost, it was 2,506 milliseconds. Uptime and reliability. During my test, Hostinger showed 100% uptime, according to Uptime Robot. Plans and pricing. Hostinger offers shared VPS, and cloud hosting plans. In the shared category, there are 3 plans: Single 1 website, Premium 100 websites, Business 100 websites. The pricing strategy is a bit complex with multiple billing cycles and discounts. For instance, the regular price for the single shared plan is $5.99 more with a 12-month billing cycle. The same comes down to $3.99 more if you lock in for 4 years, 48 months. And the introductory price for the first term is $1.99 more. Whereas if purchase it with month-to-month billing, the $9.99 more. In addition to that, there is also a $4.99 setup fee. The other 2 plans also follow the same strategy. Hope you understand how Hostinger's pricing works. A month-to-month billing cycle is also available if you don't want to commit for the long term. However, the price shoots up to $9.49 more. In addition to that, there is also a $4.99 setup fee, which raises the total cost to $14.48. Overall, Hostinger offers attractive introductory prices and discounts if you purchase a plan for 1 year or more. Month-to-month prices are not the cheapest, though. For comparison, DreamHost is available at $5.99 more. Free domain name. Also, when you buy hosting for 1 year or more, you can get a free domain name for the first year. Money-back guarantee. Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. I decided to give it a try as I had no plan to move from my current web host. According to their refund policy, you can get a refund for your hosting purchase if you cancel within the first 30 days. So, on the 30th day, I deleted my hosting account and contacted via live chat and asked for a refund. Despite some delays between responses, the support personnel was polite. Meanwhile, he inquired why I was leaving. To be honest, I replied that I canceled the account as I no longer needed it. When I said about my preference for cPanel, that's when he mentioned about hosting 24. He also asked me if I wish to receive the refund as account credits so that I can use those credits when I buy something from them in the future. I humbly rejected it and said that I prefer the money back in cash. Without further hesitation, he initiated a refund and said the money would arrive back within 10 days. On the 4th day, I got a message that my credit card was refunded. 5 pros of Hostinger: great speed and performance, lower than average prices, huge discounts for the initial term, high uptime, beginner-friendly control panel, 7 data centers to choose from. 3 cons of Hostinger: chat replies could be faster, no cPanel. Conclusion: do I recommend Hostinger? Yes, I recommend Hostinger if you are looking for a cheap hosting solution with high speed and uptime. However, support can be slow. So, if fast support is a must for you, you can try other options like SiteGround or Bluehost. Summary: we can confidently recommend Hostinger for a wide range of use cases. It's a great option for new websites that want a quality hosting service at an affordable price. Hostinger is also an excellent option for higher traffic sites that want to scale without switching providers. Hostinger is an affordable hosting company that provides shared, cloud, and VPS plans. Lightspeed servers and above average speed are their highlights. For those of you who want an all-in-one solution for creating a website and getting your web hosting needs under one roof, Hostinger even has a website builder plan bundle with its hosting services. While its uptime rates and speed aren't leading the industry, Hostinger is still a reputable provider that can accommodate the needs of most websites. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share.